If your Honda is showing a P0344 engine code, don't replace expensive parts just yet. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you 2 proven DIY methods that could fix the problem for as little as $9.76. Watch until the end, because the second method is the one many people overlook, and it could save you hundreds of dollars. If you are experiencing a P0344 error code, this video will guide you through 2 practical, at-home solutions to resolve the issue. Start by using the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm that the P0344 code is present. This indicates that your vehicle's engine control module, ECM, has detected that the signal from the Camshaft Position Sensor circuit is outside of the expected operating specifications. Here are 2 simple, practical DIY methods you can try to resolve this problem at home. Method A, the Crankshaft Position Sensor. The crankshaft position sensor is most often located on the front underside of the engine, where it is usually found mounted directly to the timing cover. First, carefully remove the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle and visually inspect it to ensure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Next, use a multimeter to perform a resistance test on the sensor to obtain an accurate reading. Be sure to check your owner's manual to determine the specific resistance range required for your vehicle's crankshaft position sensor. If you do not get a reading, it indicates that the crankshaft position sensor is faulty and must be replaced. Before installing the new sensor, ensure that the old O-ring did not fall into the mounting hole. Once the area is clear, proceed to install your new crankshaft position sensor. Method B, the camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is typically located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, though it can also be found at the front or rear of the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to perform a test on the camshaft position sensor in order to get a correct reading. Check your owner's manual to see the specific resistance range for your vehicle's camshaft position sensor. If you don't get a reading, it confirms the sensor is faulty and requires replacement. Before installing the new sensor, make sure the old O-ring didn't fall into the mounting hole. Then go ahead and replace it with a new camshaft position sensor. Following these repairs, here are the final steps to resolve the P0344 error code. Use the Zeus app to clear the code, then tap the rescan button to ensure your vehicle is operating correctly. If this guide helped you fix your Honda P0344 engine code, give this video a like and subscribe to Engine Clinic for more fast, money-saving DIY repair guides. If you have any questions or your code still isn't fixed, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.